What we celebrate today is more than just a new building. This new multipurpose room is not just about the present, it is about the generations of students who will benefit from it in years to come. Thanks to Measure T and the steadfast support of this community, we are demonstrating to our students that they are important, valued, and worthy of the investment.
This place is sending a message to our students that you belong here, you're welcome here, and this is your home.
What I was really struck by was seeing how much the students and the parents, the PTA and the principal really care about this community. And it's really nice to be here today at the ribbon cutting to celebrate it with them and in a wonderful, beautiful partnership in this beautiful space.
It just means that we are creating a space for education to grow and thrive, and it's just so special for our students.